Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Browser. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix crashing on startup when playing Sons of the Forest in only 6 methods. And I know it's very annoying when you have this problem. It's actually a very painful experience. You just want to have some fun, but this problem is just bothering you. I'm going to try my best to help you. Let's jump right into the video without wasting any second, because I know your time is very precious and really important. So, first method, usually a lot of the crashes happens because of your graphic card is not or doesn't have the latest driver. So make sure you update your driver. So go to Device Manager and here go to, should be around here, Drivers Manager, Displays, and here click on your driver, your GPU, and right click and update, and here click on Browse My and let me pick, and here select your driver and click next and next. Okay, that's pretty much it. And now another way that's super important, you need to have these drivers in order to run a game smoothly without any problems. So to run the games you need to have this. You need to have, first of all, if you have a NVIDIA graphic card, make sure you download this utility. It's very useful. Download driver updates, click on download, and this will notify you if there's any drivers that you have but they are not up to date. So it's very good tool. Make sure you install this tool. It's awesome. It's good. So you can install the latest drivers. You can also need GeForce Experience. It's pretty good. And you can simply click on here, drivers, and here as you can see, I have a available driver, so I can just click on download and I will install the latest drivers. So make sure you install this as well. And now for AMD users, just click on download button here, and this will detect automatically if you have a drivers available. And now to run a game, you need to have Microsoft Visual C++ and click on here to install. And then after you install this, you need to install direct and user runtime web installer. Download now. And also let me know in the comment section your feedback, your thoughts, if I should actually show you how to install this Visual Studio and end user. But I decided not to show you because I think it's pretty easy. Just click on install and here download, and you just have to now next install a program. It's very basic. That's why I don't waste your time. That's why I care about your time and I don't make this video too long. But yeah, you can leave your thoughts in the comment section. And now the next step, what you have to do, it's very important, is to click on Steam. Okay, open Steam, go to the game and right click on the game and select properties. Okay, right click on the game and select properties. That's very important. So right click on the game, select properties, and then here you should see, one second, here you should see local files and click on verify integrity of software files. And after you've done that, go to browse, and here where the game is located, go to the game, locate the game, and right click on the game and select properties. Here you should see compatibility. Make sure you have these settings here. Run, disable full screen optimization, and run this program as administrator. Make sure you're doing this. And this is what fixed usually for me any problems related to crashes. That's what worked for me, and that's what I decided to create a tutorial for you, because or maybe this will help you as well. Obviously I can't guarantee this will work, but maybe it'll work, and if it'll work, it'll make me happy as well, because you can now play the game. Okay, so that's the end of this video. Make sure you subscribe for more tips and tricks and tutorials. And if this video didn't work, leave your thoughts down below. I really want to hear your feedback, if it worked, if it didn't work, and because if it didn't work and there's a bunch of comments that are saying that, I'll look for other ways, alternative ways to fix this problem. So thank you guys for watching and take care.